Bienvenue à Paris, the city of lights. If you're visiting for the first time from the United States, here are some tips to make the most of your trip. Tip number 1, learn the metro. The easiest way to get around Paris is by using the metro, which is among the best in the world. Google Maps has a transit feature that is a great tool for getting around. Make sure to download the map of the metro system ahead of time to avoid using your data and familiarize yourself with the different lines so that you can easily get where you need to go. Tip number 2, walk when you can. While the metro is great, let's not forget that Paris is a beautiful city, and there's nothing quite like strolling through the streets and taking in the sights and sounds. Paris is full of charming streets, picturesque squares, and historic monuments. Walking is also a great way to discover hidden gems that you might miss if you're only taking public transportation. Just remember to wear comfortable shoes.
Wow.
Tip number 3, speak a little French. Many Parisians speak English, but it's always appreciated when you make an effort to speak their language. Even saying bonjour and asking if someone speaks English, parlez-vous anglais, before launching into English requests is a small but meaningful gesture. Knowing a few basic phrases in French will also come in handy when ordering food, asking for directions, or shopping. Tip number 4, avoid the crowds. The Louvre is a world-famous museum, but it's also one of the busiest. If you're short on time, consider visiting another world-class museum like the Musée d'Orsay, Pompidou Centre, or Rodin Museum. These museums are less crowded, less expensive, and have just as much to offer in a fraction of the time. Tip number 5, make reservations. Many of the popular tourist attractions in Paris require reservations. With the ongoing COVID situation, many places are operating on a reservation-only basis. It's best to plan ahead and make reservations to avoid disappointment. It's also nice to pay ahead of time so that you have fewer expenses to worry about once you arrive. Tip number 6, take your time. Paris is a big city with plenty to see and do, so it's important to take your time. Don't try to pack too much into one day. Allow yourself breaks. Have a café au lait, sit in a park, or just take a moment to soak in the sights and sounds of the city. Paris is meant to be enjoyed at a leisurely pace, so savor every moment and create lasting memories. With these tips in mind, you'll be sure to have a memorable trip to Paris. The city is full of history, culture, and romance. Bon voyage!